Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize websites on Squarespace for personal care and hygiene business, easy and quick. So first type Squarespace on the search. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So you can get started from here and you can create your website. Easy to edit website templates, no coding needed, full commerce and marketing features to run your business online, free trial and no credit card required. So let's you can see templates here. Let's see templates. So wait a few seconds. So here you can change the type of your business: online store or portfolio or memberships or courses or services. uh, the personal care and the hygiene business is not here, so you can build your templates. So let's get started. You can add the templates here, so let's go. So here you can add your type name, your site name. Type any name you want for personal care and hygiene business. So let's continue. So here you can build your home page. So you can choose the intro section first, and the second the product section, the services section, and the about section, the social section, and the form section, and the last the footer section. So let's continue. Here you can add pages to your site. Here you can choose the color of your theme of your home page, and you can choose the fonts. So let's continue. Now you can wait a few seconds or few minutes. So here you can personalize your homepage text faster than ever. You can continue from here. Uh, you can continue and describe more your website, your business, and you can choose the writing style. So for me, I'm gonna skip. So this is your homepage right now. You can edit here the views. You can make it like a desktop view like this, or you can make it like a mobile view. So I'm gonna keep it just like a desktop view. Here we find here the site styles. You can edit the site styles. So here first we have the fonts. You can edit the fonts. So you can switch the fonts back. You can edit the page size. You can edit the headings and the paragraphs and the buttons. Here you can reset the fonts back. So let's get back and let's move on now to the colors. So here you can customize your themes. Choose any theme. For example, I'm gonna go with this. So here you can edit the header, the color theme of the site title, and the navigation links. Just click on it like this. You can custom the color from here. You can also choose the color from here, and you can edit the site wide palette. So that's it. Now let's move on to the site wide. So here you can edit the color theme of the section background, the background overlay, and the inset border, the section divider stroke, and also you can edit the heading in the paragraph and the text highlight and the background color. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next, to the animations. So here you can set the styles of the animations. You can set none or fade, scale, whatever you want. Here you can edit the speed. You can make it slow or medium or fast. So that's it. Now let's move on to the spacing. So here you can edit the page width max. You can edit the site margin. You can here reset the styles to defaults. So that's it. Now let's move on to the buttons. So here you can edit the primary buttons. You can edit the text and the shape and the outline. You can here apply to all button types. You can reset the button styles, and that's it. Now let's move to the image blocks. So here you can edit you can search for something on the image block search. You can edit the text alignments and the content width, the title separation and the button separation, the content position and the text alignments. So that's it. Now let's close this. So you can edit here the view. Here you can edit your website from here. So first here we have the site header. You can edit it from here. You can edit the site title and the logo. So you can change the site title if you don't like it. You can add your logo from here. You can select from your library. You can add the mobile logo. So that's it. Now let's move on to the elements. So here you can turn this on, the button. You can change the text on the label. Here you can turn this on, the social links. You can edit the social links. You can edit the social icon size. Here you can switch the language. You can turn this on, the cart, and you can change the side icon. And here you can turn this off. I'm gonna turn this off, show zero in cart. So that's it. If you want to add something new at the section, just click here and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your home page from here. So that's it. Here you can edit the text from here. You can duplicate the text from here. You can delete it. If you want to add something like image or text or video, whatever you want, you can add it from here. Just click on it and you can put it at any place you want. Here you can save the section on this heart icon. You can move it up or move it down, and you can duplicate it from here. So that's it. Here you can edit the button label. You can change the button type. You can also edit the text on it. So that's it. You can edit this section from here. So you can edit the grid and the section, the fill screen and the height and the alignments. You can edit the background. So you can add an image, for example this. You can add an image from here. You can search on this free image search. So for example, personal care and hygiene, like this. And you can search here and you can select any one of these here. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. You can choose whatever you want. This is just for example. So it's uploaded here. You can add a video or art. So this is just for example. Yeah. Now let's move on to the next section. So here you can delete this image. Click on it, and let's add an image from here. Now let's put it here. You can add a free image. So click here and search on personal care and hygiene. So I'm gonna add this. You can add whatever you want. So you can add another image here where you can make it bigger than this. So that's it. Here you can edit the button and the text. You can edit this, the accordion, and that's it. After you're done from designing websites and after you're done from customizing your price and choose the way to get paid, now you can just save this and you can start your business, start selling. And that's it for today. That's how to customize your store for personal care and hygiene business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.